Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Docker. Install Kali Linux and Python image in Docker. First we have to download Docker. Go to web browser. Go to search. Type here. Download. Docker. Hit enter. Click on first link. Docker desktop. Docker official website is open. Click on Download Docker Desktop. Download for Windows AMD 64. Now the downloading is started. It is 640 megabits Docker setup. It will take a few minutes. It depends on your internet speed. You will have to wait until the download is completed. Now the downloading is completed. Let's right-click on it. Click Open. Minimize web browser. Configuration. All users installation. Check on Allow Windows containers. Click OK. Click Yes. Installing Docker Desktop. Installation succeeded. Click Close and restart. Log on as admin user. Go to Windows. Docker Desktop recently added. Go to search. Type Docker. Click on Docker Desktop. Docker Subscription Service Agreement. Click Accept. Welcome to Docker. You can use Docker for work and personal use. You can also log in Docker through Google, Git, and create a new account, but in this video I am going to skip this option. Click on Skip. WSL need updating. Copy this command. Go to Windows Search. CMD. Click Command Prompt. Paste the copied command here. Hit Enter. Click Yes. Downloading Windows Subsystem for Linux. Installing WSL. Windows Subsystem for Linux is installed. Go to Docker Desktop. Click Try again. Starting the Docker engine. Minimize Docker. Now I am going to install Kali Linux. WSL. --. List. --. Online. Hit Enter. Now you can see the list of Linux distribution. Ubuntu 26.04. But I am installing Kali Linux. Type CLS. Press Enter. Type WSL. --. Install. Kali. Linux. Hit Enter. Downloading Kali Linux. Welcome to WSL. Click on Close. Kali Linux downloading and installing, all this process will take few minutes. Now Kali Linux successfully installed. Enter a new Unix username. Rohit. The username does not need to match your Windows username. Set new password. Retype password. Password updated successfully. Now you can see Kali Linux is login. You can see this command, it's help to run again Kali Linux. Now copy this command. Type exit. Hit Enter. You can log out the Kali Linux. If you want to run again Kali Linux, just paste the copied command here. Hit Enter. Kali Linux login again. It's showing message from Kali developer. This is a minimal installation of Kali Linux. You can run the basic command here. Who am I? Press Enter. It's showing which user is login in Kali. If config. Press Enter. It is showing IP address of Kali Linux. You can basic work here. Type exit. Hit Enter. Minimize command prompt. Open Docker. Now Docker engine is running. Go to Settings. These are the Docker settings. Start Docker Desktop when you sign in to your computer. Go to Docker menu. Click Docker Hub. Click on just once. Accept all cookies. Scroll down. These are the Docker images you can use it. I am using Python image. Go to Python. Scroll down. Run in Docker Desktop. Click 3 dots. Copy this command. Go to command prompt. Type cls. Press enter. Paste the copied command here. Hit enter. Python image is installing. It will take few minutes. Now image is installed. Go to web browser. Scroll down. Select this command. Copy this command. Go back to command prompt. Paste the copied command. Hit enter. This command is not running. Why it happen? So it's okay. Type cls. Hit enter. Now I am going to run Docker image. Go to web browser. Scroll up. Click 3 dot. Select this command portion. Now copy this. Go to command prompt. Type Docker. Run. Paste the copied command. Hit enter. Now image is running. Now I am going to show you this Python image in Docker. Go to Docker Desktop application. Go to notification. Now you can see the name, container ID, image. Docker currently using memory 3.66 gigabits and CPU usage 2.83%. Disk usage 3.4 gigabits. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to install Docker, install Kali Linux in Docker and install Python image. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.